Thanks for coming. আসলে এই সাকসেসফুল প্রোগ্রামের পিছনে অনেক রিহার্সেল, অনেক ডেডিকেশন আছে। আমি দ্য পিপল বিহাইন্ড দ্য ডেকোরেশন, জিনিয়া, তাহিয়াপু, স্নেহা, তমশ্রী, মারুফ, প্রীতম অ্যান্ড সাদিকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। And also the program, the program honor and Anwar Apu. I would like to thanks to everyone who helped us with the delicious food. We will enjoy soon, especially Ferdous, Tamil Apu, Neem, Jahid Bhai, Ibrahim Bhai, Mehdi Bhai, Pranjit Pal Bhai, Shoma Apu, Johnny Bhai, Jannat Apu, Mila Apu, Sadia Afrin Apu, Nuhash, Bandhan, Tarek Bhai, Janan, Shubho, Nisha, Renan Apu and Rahul Bhai. Additional thanks to everyone who helped us with the event at Brunei. The people behind fashion show, especially thanks to Urmi Apu and also Tahi Apu and the people behind cultural performance, Umayya Apu, Urmi Apu, Nasim, Sohail Bhai and also Shafi, Onik, and the people who captured event, especially Shaheb and Tushar Sarkar. Okay, the people behind logistics to carry out the food, also for ride management, especially Maruf Morshed, Rahul Bhai, Pritam Jadov. The hard-working people, especially from Bangladesh Association, Clemson Executive Committee 2025-26, Vice President Tahi Apu, Treasurer Rahul Bhai, and General Secretary Maruf Morshed, Public Relation Officer Pritam Jadov, Secretary of External Affairs Kanis Fatima Mishkor. সবার ডেডিকেশন হার্ড ওয়ার্কের কারণে আমরা এই প্রোগ্রামটা এনজয় করতে পারছি। And thank you everyone for coming. Now we will start the food. Yeah. Thank you.